Hello. So today's video I'm going to talk about grid design. My name is Bhargavi Raval and I'm here to help you. I am a fashion mentor. Now if you are appearing for NIFT, you have to give your entrance exam and you have to appear for CAT exam. Now there are chances that they ask you grid question. Say for example in 2011 they had asked this grid question wherein you had to depict these words in grid. Things like joy, trust, fear. Similarly, we had question in 2010 also. They had provided a grid of 10 by 10 and you had to show by using colors, enthusiasm, harmony, shock. So, what do you mean by grid? By definition, it is a framework of spaced bars that are parallel or cross each other. So, something similar to this is called as grid. Okay, so this video I'm going to show you how to draw grid design. I've used fear and joy, these two themes. Now I'll tell you what is the thought process. So starting first with fear. Now when I start with any particular theme, I start with my word association. Always do that. So what do you mean by fear? For me, it could be fear of ghost, fear of spider, or it could be fear of darkness. Now just keep on doing word association. Write down words which you resonate, what fear resonates to you. It could be anything. So once the word association is done, then you do color association. Now what are the colors which I feel are related to fear? So if I'm saying ghost, for me black color, darkness is again black color, ghost, then hell is red, fire is red. So in this sketch I have used this two particular color, that is red and black, and all these darker shades of red, so more of a fire color. Now as I said, because it is a grid design, you have to make those grids, and each and every square of your grid has to have a different texture or different demarcation. That means there has to be some difference. Now if you see the black ghost which I have done, I have rendered it with different texture. So even if it's a black color, I have not colored it completely. I've given different textures. So I've given vertical line, I've given horizontal line. Similarly, over here with the red color also, I am bifurcating each and every squares with different textures of red, right? So this is how you are supposed to draw a grid design. Grid means the combination of squares, right? And you have to give a demarcation of each and every square. So it looks like a different squares joined together. Okay, now I'll give you a few other examples also. So if they're saying enthusiasm, how do you start with anything? Now even not necessarily for grid design, any design, always start with word association. So say for example enthusiasm, my word association, I would say enthusiasm is excitement, enthusiasm is eagerness, it could be energy, it could be speed. Similarly joy, so for me joy could be balloons, joy could be beautiful rainfall, joy could be ocean, so anything whatever reflects. So here this is a second example. I'm doing joy. Now again I've done color association. I've given water ke liye blue, balloons yellow, right? So in this I've used not texture but coloring. What I'm doing is I'm adding different colors to it. So always do word association. Even if it's harmony, so what do you mean by harmony? Harmony means balance, harmony means unity, harmony means consistency, harmony could be music. So you can have a musical symbol, you can have symbol for balance. So it could be the Buddhist symbol of balance, or it could be this moon and star symbol. You can do that also. Again, the colors associated with the harmony would be something very nice, soothing, cool colors. Similarly, if it is surprise or shock, the shock could be surprise, shock could be amazement, shock could be sudden. So again, the colors would be associated accordingly. Since this is joy, I have used, and for me, water makes me happy. So I've given waves. Waves is ocean. Ocean is blue color. Now, here also, if you could see nicely, each and every box I have given different colors. Now there was one question where they say that use only one color in one box. Do it that way. If not, you can do it this way also. Please read your question very nicely. Always do word association, always do color association. It becomes faster. And you know the thumb rule, the first 10 ideas, chuck them off, because they are very cliche, they are very common. Everybody thinks on the similar level. So your first at least for your first 10 ideas, 8-10 ideas, keep on chucking it off, keep on writing more ideas, so you will have more variety and it will be something different than what the masses do. All right, so I hope this video was helpful to you. Many of my students feel grid question is a very difficult question and then don't know how to apply this question. So I think I have done justice to this question. And if you have any doubts, you know where to get hold of me. You can leave a comment down, or Insta account. My Insta account is Bhargavi Raval, and that's my work account. So that's where I usually connect with all the students all over the India, or I could say, all over. So I get many students. Feel free to get in touch with me. If you have any doubts, if you have any queries, please get in touch with me. I am really happy to help you all. And that's what I do. I'm a fashion mentor and I'm a fashion teacher. I love teaching. And yes, tell me whatever your doubts are. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And please share this video to anybody who you feel are appearing for NIFT, or they have some doubts. So yeah, that's it is. My illustration is almost done. I'll give you a few more examples of grid drawing also. Your grid drawings could be something like this or like this. Tata, bye bye, see you. Hope you enjoyed this video.